President Emmerson Mnangagwa could be the biggest loser following the death in South Africa of Zambia's former President Edgar Chagwa Lungu. Sana bina mashuku budanyo kwa chizi Mnangagwa suffers a huge blow. Pamsana pekufa kwaita Edgar Lungu ndubo subscribe ole icon on the bell icon. Timila mnamu budanyo kwa mshinzi. Lungu, a close ally of Mnangagwa's ruling ZANU-PF party and a prominent figure in the network of former liberation movements in Southern Africa, early Thursday at the age of 68. His party, the Patriotic Front (PF), confirmed a statement released late Thursday saying Lungu had been received specialized treatment in South Africa for an undisclosed illness. The party mourned the passing of a man it described as a statesman, patriot, and servant of the people. Lungu served as Zambian's sixth president from 2015 to 2021 after assuming office following the death of Michael Sata. He presided over a turbulent period marked by rising debt, an economic downturn, and growing authoritarian tendencies, including a crackdown on dissent and independent media. Despite these challenges, he remained a revered figure among fellow regional leaders, especially those within the former liberation movements. His close relationship with Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the broader ZANU-PF elite was no secret. During his presidency, Lungu was a consistent voice in support of Mnangagwa, both during and after the 2017 coup that ousted long-term Zimbabwean ruler Robert Mugabe. Lungu was one of the first leaders to endorse Mnangagwa's legitimacy and was seen as a regional bulwark against Western criticism of ZANU-PF's human rights abuses and disputed electoral processes. But Lungu's own rule was spurred by accusations of authoritarianism. He oversaw the arrest of opposition figures, the militarization of state institutions, and controversial constitutional amendments aimed at extending his grip on power. Thomas Kwanobuda pangwa ino achi explosions mtungamiri wenyika masolda mzumunaga wanungwa kwadziwa zvakanyasa kwazvo pamusana pekufa kweala yavo. Pindani comment section medu muzemafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.